Okay, let's continue with this one. Cube APIs are not running. Set pod manager has 3 misconfigured places. Right. So the first thing is, I checked this before, is I wanted to see if something stands out. Now, because I've done this exercise before recording, I already spotted them, but initially I haven't at all, and I keep going back and forth, but I couldn't spot anything. Let me just refresh this because I can't see properly. I couldn't spot anything. I thought it would be obviously a YAML misconfig and I could see it straight away, but I didn't. So, because that would be my go-to. Now, first of all, the second thing I'll do, let's see if the container is actually running. And all I'm seeing is scheduler, controller, core DNS, blah blah blah, Cube API server. That was 40 minutes ago. I presume this was from my last attempt. Cube system, let me just double check if that's the case. Error code 1 trying to find, not found. Yeah, so that's from my last attempt. It's just a killercoda thing. That's fine. Okay, so the container is not running. YAML is completely messed up. So let's start with then var log pods, and let's do there's no pods for the API. So we have system but not ones. Okay, let's see the container, though I would expect no, because there is no container. Controller, manager, scheduler. Yeah, my killer code is a bit messed up. Let's do it this way. Okay, let's do journal CTL. Journal CTN, and let's grab the API server. And yeah, okay, so this is 1. Line 4, could not find expected. Okay. So API line 4, and is this. Let's save again. Let me see if it's up and running, and again it's not, and the previous one went away. It was just a killer coda lagging. Okay, so it's not there. Now let's do journal CTL again. Let's see if something else pops up that would stand out. Connection refused, control failed deleting, error syncing. Nothing that stands out. So let's go to the logs, and yeah, same way I've done initially was, here you go, authorization mode wrong, unknown flag. So I checked this on the official documentation, and auto compilation mode wrong. So this thing shouldn't be here. That's gone. And voila. The way I've done it even before, I just jump between the logs. So if the logs was in the var/var logs pods/var containers journal.ctl, I just jump between them because it's writing logs in multiple places and I cannot know. So let's see. Cube API can. Okay, let's see crucitl first actually. If it's up, nothing's up. Again, let's do the log pods. There is. Okay, so there's nothing in the pods. Let's see if there is in. There's no container, there's no pods. All right. Let's see the journal CTL again. Wrap API server. Nothing. Okay. Let's see what am I missing here. Here you go, cube system, cube API server. I missed it earlier, I guess. Here you go. So command failed, open etc Kubernetes API server, rank cert, PKI. So the PKI, if I do from the earlier API server would be this. So let's go and this and let's look for the word wrong. And here you go. To be totally fair, this is the same thing I'm doing at work as well. Just jumping between different log folders and see if I can spot the error. So let's do a PS now, and should it be up and running? That's correct. So now we can go get pods. You check. Voila. This is absolutely the same thing I do at work as a support engineer. You just go between log files, read the logs and see where the issue might be, because all the applications are writing logs in different locations, and since you don't know the root cause, you basically jump around. It is it's interesting if you like a puzzle. I will admit sometimes it's a headache. Okay, this is nice. Let's go out and I'll see you at the next one.